The difference between the clicky slider and the silent slider. This is the clicky slider. It's not incredibly loud, but it does announce its position. That's the clicky one. And this is the silent one. It still has a tactile feel going between each position as you move the plates. It's just silent. Now you can make the silent one loud if, as you're pressing down like this, you press towards the ground, which causes the plates to separate a little bit. It's a little tricky to do, and it can pinch a little bit depending on your hand position. You can make it kind of loud if you want, but mostly the way it operates is silently. This is your silent fidget. You don't want to be heard, or you want to be able to fidget and not disturb anyone. That's the silent one. And again, here's the clicky one. It's quite satisfying.